Welcome back to my channel, boys and ghouls. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm doing a comparison video. I'll be putting Sargent Art Pouring Medium, Floetrol, glue, and just plain water up against each other. I was curious to see how the finished product of each pouring medium would turn out. I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And now, let's get into it. Our first pouring medium will be Sargent Art. I picked this up from the dollar store and wanted to give it a try. The second pouring medium I'm using is Elmer's glue. The third pouring medium is my normal go-to, which is Floetrol. And the final pouring medium is just plain water. Okay, boys and ghouls, here are the close-ups of each painting. My favorite is actually the Sargent Art. I'm quite surprised. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Which one is your favorite? I would love your feedback. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I post new videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. Bye.